To accelerate muscle growth effectively and safely, it's essential to combine a healthy diet, appropriate supplements, and a targeted training regimen. Working with a professional trainer and nutritionist can help tailor a program to your specific goals. Key strategies include slowing down your lifts to maintain proper form, varying the speed of your repetitions, and using heavier weights for fewer reps to challenge your muscles. Adequate recovery is crucial, so ensure you allow at least 48 hours before targeting the same muscle group again. Gradually increase the weights you use, and incorporate a variety of machines to prevent your muscles from adapting. It's important to track your training sessions to monitor progress and adjust as needed. While moderate cardio is beneficial for cardiovascular health, excessive cardio can hinder muscle growth, so limit to 75 minutes of vigorous or 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly. To support muscle development, consume a calorie surplus focused on nutritious foods, aiming for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, including both animal and plant-based proteins.